You never know what you're going to find on a walk. My wife ran across Miami String House in El Portal, which is a small village north of Miami. This is Charles Winters, who is the founder. He started String House in 2009. He's himself a bassist and a roadie and a road manager and did various other things before starting String House, which is the largest luthier south of Charleston. This is Dale. He is, I think, the primary luthier. A luthier is somebody who repairs and builds string instruments primarily. This is Dale showing us his workshop. This is his workbench. It's very impressive. The business also does sales and rentals and restoration of instruments. They serve, I guess, artists all over the South and all over the country. Local symphonies, of course. They provide free service to local schools restoring their instruments. Gentleman in the background is a student who had brought his double bass in for repair and restringing. This is Dale and his partner Alan working on the restringing of the bass. Basses, I guess, are close to Charles Winters' heart, being a bassist himself. They have quite a collection there, in addition to all the other instruments. Here you can see a small portion of them. Everywhere you look in this place, there are string instruments. It's pretty amazing. Dale, who is mentioned the chief luthier, has been working on instruments for 50 plus years. They also have this mobile instrument lab, which they take around to local schools. They demonstrate the instrument repair to the students. They show them how it's done, and they also get their instruments repaired. They're in the process of donating a whole bunch of instruments to a local school, and they're just sort of in the process of working through all the details. So thank you for coming on this little tour. I know it's a little bit different for my channel, but there's more to life. So if you are interested in String House, you can find out more at www.miamistring.com. Take care now.